Okay, you guys, so as you see, I mean, Latisha. Yeah. Y'all know, this is like my gabillionth time getting this wig. I absolutely love it. Most of the time I buy it myself. But I asked Sam's Beauty and they sent it to me. I love them. I just mess with them the long way. I love them. But yeah, listen, Latisha gonna give every single time. The only thing different that really helped me was that kit that they sent as well. It had the what would you call that? The little stocking cap thing with it, with the soft sides. Like it helped, like it felt so good. Like the clip part that's in the wig, that holds the band, sometimes that can get irritating, but it didn't bother me because it was like on that soft band part. And the lace that they use on that cap, it blended so well with my makeup. Like it blended so well. It was just effortlessly. Like I don't know, girl. It gave. I don't even know how to say that in a more unghetto way. It just gave. That's all I know. This here was me after about a week of wearing it. I was just giving it a little remelt, because I wasn't ready to take it off. I was having too much fun in Latisha land, you feel me? So yeah, I had to remelt it and just brush it out good and everything. And yeah, honey, that was it. If y'all watch me on TikTok, then y'all see me post on TikTok. That was this part here. Like, yeah, that afternoon was when I, put my robe on and everything, got to feeling myself, and then was really recording for TikTok, because y'all know I be trying to show out on TikTok a little bit, be having a little fun, it's my little escape or whatever. But yeah, like, Latisha just gave. And so after that, I wore it for a few more days. I took it off. I installed some other hair or whatever. Took that off. I think I installed something else. And then I put Latisha back in again. So, and I want to say that I recorded that. So be on the lookout for a follow-up video of the reinstall of Latisha. And I still have her. I might do it again. And the curls are still giving. I haven't even had to curl it. I will say that on the last install, I did trim it a little bit because it's synthetic, you know what I'm saying? So after a while it'll like begin to be a little like frayed at the nape area. So I trimmed some of it, but not a whole lot, not like a crazy amount or whatever, but just enough to give it a little bit of still, just a little bit more. And girl, like I still ain't even had to curl it yet. So I think on the next install, I'm gonna see how it does, if I hot curl it or whatever. If that's something y'all want to see, make sure to drop it down in the comment section to make sure that I actually do it, because I'll be brainstorming up here with you and then I won't think about it no more, you feel me, until it's time for me to install it, and it'll be 3 months later and y'all will be like, never mind, So if that's something y'all want to see, make sure you put it down in the comment section so that I can do that for you. But yeah, Latisha has just been a win year after year, and I don't think that's ever going to change. I've got it various ways. I just particularly love Sam's Beauty, and also they have it like way cheaper. I have been in emergency situations where I've needed Latisha and I had to go to my beauty supply store and get it, and yeah, I did, but I paid $60 and $70 for it, and it's just never been that on Sam's Beauty. And don't misquote me, but I think it was like 43, something like that. I think I've seen it be about that much. Like Sam's Beauty, their wigs, I don't understand how they even make a profit, because straight up, they have the most affordable hair just in general that I've ever seen. I no cap, like I kid you not. Go see for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not obligated by just going to check out a website. Go check it out. Like, it's insane. If you haven't looked, go look, because they really do have really good prices. But yeah, y'all know I love Latisha. Latisha gonna get me right every time. And it's so funny being that the job that I'm in now, and I'm around a lot more people and I talk to a lot more people. And girl, I couldn't even get out my pitch, for talking, because they trying to talk to me about hair. Like, and I'm like, oh, thank you. Like, even the men's like, oh, I just want to let you know your hair's just gorgeous. Your hair's just gorgeous. Like, like, sir, don't you want this account though? But yeah, honey, Latisha gonna win every single time. The people on TikTok be like, I just know it's just not gonna come. It's not gonna be that thick, baby. I done wore Latisha 100 times. Got it from 100 different places. Paid $100 different for it. And Latisha be the same every time. I think the only thing that has changed from me that I remember is when I first got Latisha, my very first encounter, I don't think it had the tension band on it. I think that was a new addition. I could be wrong. But originally, I don't think it had that. But yeah, it does now, and I absolutely love it. I think I don't know. I'm just in love with Latisha. She always makes me feel like that girl every single time. She blends so well. She's so beginner friendly. And if you are a beginner, even if you're not a beginner, that kit that I showed you in the beginning that Samsbeauty is doing, like, that is amazing. Like, it has everything that you will need, like, excluding like the glue, because of course that's a personal preference, but everything else, even down to the edge brush that has the spatula side on the other side, where you spread the glue and everything with, like, they literally have everything, the band that you need, the cap that you need, even the bonnet. Like, girl, like, they did that. So I'm gonna drop that down in the description box along with the link to Latisha, and I guarantee you won't find it for a cheaper price than what you're gonna get at Samsbeauty. Thank y'all so much for watching. I enjoyed spending this time with you guys. Please drop any questions or your experience with Latisha or anything down in the comment section. You know that I love to hear from you guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up and share it. And yeah, y'all go check me out on my other platforms. I love to interact with y'all on all of my platforms, TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. Y'all come see me. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.